Hello, Aqua Friends! Welcome back to another episode of Minute from the Lab. Unfortunately, Miss Jenn is standing here with some very unhappy koi fish. And sometimes I just don't know what's wrong with them, but I do know who I can call. And my friend, Joe, is here to help us. Joe, will you please introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, everybody. My name's Joe, and I work for Harrisburg University. I do some of the aquaponic research up there and have a little bit of experience with different fish diseases. So we're going to try to figure out what might be wrong with some of these guys in your nursery tank today. So,
Joe, I noticed, you can see we have four of our koi fish here, 2 in this tank and 2 in that tank. The 2 in the further tank, they're pretty happy. They're moving around. Now, they might have a sore or two, but these guys, they're just not moving much. Now, would this be like kind of a symptom of a sick fish?
Yeah, so the fish on the fire tank over there, you can see some of them have a little bit of a bruise, and that's probably just from fish bumping into each other, and that'll happen when they're in a tank together. So those guys will heal up pretty quickly since they've been taken out, and once they get better, they can probably get put back in. The ones in this tank, one of them has kind of a wonky tail. There was another one over the weekend that was swimming like really erratically. That might be the sign of some sort of bacterial disease. So when that happens, we want to pull the fish out just like you did and isolate it so it doesn't infect anything else. And then we can try to look at different things either in the water that might be a bacteria or a parasite that could infect the fish, or even something like really low pH or low temperature that could make the fish more susceptible to a disease.
So this is where our water quality and our water testing are really, really important.
Yes. Yeah, so routine water quality testing is really important, and making sure that there aren't really big fluctuations in any given day for something like pH or temperature is really important, because that will make your fish a lot more susceptible to any sort of parasite or bacteria that could be in the water.
So Joe and I are going to work together to get these fish as healthy as we can, and hopefully, well, the next time you guys are back in, everybody will be back in the big tank. See you next time.